What's up, everyone? I'm Bill. I'm with Kalimoto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at TBR, Two Bros Racing, and Mark has invited me over for a tour of the factory. Mark, thank you for inviting me.
It's a pleasure, Bill.
So Mark's been a big part of Cali Track Days, and we love. And of course, you know, growing up through the motorcycle industry for the last, we were just reminiscing of the last 20-ish years of me riding and knowing basically, you know, the Two Bros product and stuff like that. But ever since he's moved into his new building, I've wanted to come out here, and today I happen to be in Corona, crazy enough, and Mark said, come on over for a tour. So he's gonna take us through the new Two Bros Racing compound. So,
Very first part number.
is that the very first one?
Very first part number.
Wait, that's the stock exhaust?
That's the header that we built. This is not
That's
the
new.
original. That's not the original, but this was our very first part number, was the Hawk.
No shit.
Yeah.
Man, so already just so cool just to walk in and see. So is that bike, was that the original bike?
That I don't know.
All right,
I
well,
doubt that.
All right, you're letting me down a little
But
bit.
it's 005-01. That's
Solid.
the part number, so,
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, so cool. So he's going to take us through the warehouse, so you guys are going to be able to see the behind the scenes of, it might be a little loud out here, and he told me to warn you guys, it's a little messy, but you guys went from, wait, so let's flip this around. You guys went from a
32,000 square foot building to a 17, and
small downgrade, but you're making do.
use of it. Yeah,
All right.
we're living a little bit cozier,
Yeah, right?
but we're making do.
All right, so first thing when we walk in, first crazy is all of the piping. So you order all the pipes, and everything is 100% made in this factory.
Yeah, we bend everything. We get the raw steel sent in from Santa Fe Springs, and it goes over onto the rack, gets pulled over to our benders, which will make our way over there. Not sure if anybody's bending right now, but let's go take a look.
All right. Now, when I walked in, the first thing I saw was this bin of, well, what is this?
Oh, jigs that need to be put away. But as you can see, there is a wall. We're getting more and more jigs.
So the jigs, now I see, you know, you got header. So what is the jig? How does the jig work? How do you make this happen?
The jig is what determines the fitment for every single bike.
Okay.
So each jig is bike specific.
Okay.
So
what's a 321?
321, you're gonna test me, huh?
I'm gonna test you.
I'm gonna make up an answer and say a ZX6.
All right. So we've got a 321, a ZX6. So what are we doing? So how does it work?
BMW
right?
328.
All right, 328 BMW.
Well, for instance, when it's time to bend,
Okay.
more slip tubes, that wall, take a big panoramic shot of that wall, that's our slip tube wall. When one of those bins runs dry, we know we need to bend more pipe,
Okay.
bend more slip tubes, and weld them back up. So
Got it. So we've got the jig, and then the pipe. Oh, it just pops right off.
Pops right
Okay,
off.
got it.
They know where to weld the tab
Okay.
by simply putting it on the jig.
So it's got to fit.
Got to fit perfectly there. Know where the weld tab.
What's that there?
Weld
Oh.
should be. And that's how we know it fits.
Shit.
So it's swag. Swag. Well,
That's crazy.
yeah. Gotta have a
And
jig.
just so not a baffler. What is this? Are those baffles?
Those are touring louvered cores that we use for our Goldwing exhaust. But we use our own stainless perf cores for our Harley exhaust now, which gives it that unique Two Brothers sound.
The Two Bros sound.
Yeah.
So Mark told me something very interesting, and you guys know I always complain about the sport bike market, and it's been dying, it's dying. All right, what statistics do we have? You went from originally like 100% sport bike, right?
3.5 years ago, we ventured into the touring market Harleys, and I would say it's now actively 60% of our business.
That's crazy. So, so he's got, now this is a mock-up of a new model?
This is just our, this is a touring. We're gonna be doing a 2-in-1 ghost pipe, so it gives a true dual look, but has the performance of a 2-in-1.
Ah.
This will be, it's on the rack for a ghost pipe.
So you're built, so this is all you?
Now, this is a 2-in-1 right here. We'll cut it off, and we'll install a ghost pipe
Oh,
right
shit.
here. So, because your bagger needs to have that look,
Got it, okay.
but it'll be a sleeper. Moto intake we make.
So rad. All right, so then we're over to, all right, so now it's gonna get a little bit loud, sorry guys. So what are we, what's this big a piece of equipment here?
That's our main bender right there. Our secondary bender's over there. Looks like we're on a hiatus on bending right now.
All right.
See all the bent,
Yep.
trim, diverter, drill for O2 sensor.
So you'll bend a certain exhaust and you'll bend, right? So this is
496 Harley front header.
got it.
And the PO.
Huh? So more jigs, header jigs. That's pretty cool.
149.
MT09? The triple.
That's a ZX14 full system right there.
What's the difference between the green and the silver?
Originally we were doing green parts, and then we ran out of paint, I guess.
Oh, okay.
They're all called green parts.
There's this, the original, and then nah, we don't need to paint them green
Nobody
no more.
never pulled the green part. Leave it.
No more green. All right, so.
Everything's programmed into here.
Oh, you were telling me that. So
Yeah.
you just put the pipe in and it's all done.
With that, you got the foot pedal, the control right there. That controls the bending.
And in it goes, and then.
Right in here, the tool for pushing, plunging, pushing.
Now this is what they call a mandarin bender.
Yeah.
Right.
Mandrel
So
bent.
mandrel.
Mandrel bent.
So it doesn't kink the pipe.
Exactly.
Man, and look, I know about a little bit about exhaust, but coming through here is just absolutely crazy to see these guys. So anytime, if you buy any TwoBros exhaust, if you ever buy a TwoBros exhaust, basically it's built right here in Corona, California. So
We actually make our own collectors. We feel that if we make our own collectors,
wait, so the collectors
take two pieces, wedge, weld together, better airflow, better collector.
It's like a monovision.
Yeah.
That's rad.
Yeah, hand built. Better flow.
How long does it take you to build this?
Too long. There's a lot to it. I mean, you got to cut, super, get that tight weld. Everything's stainless. Everything's
back
TIG welded.
there, the welders are behind the curtain. Man, so crazy. And then of course they've got working away on the, getting all the rough edges. So crazy. So now we've got all of our, so now we're getting there. All right, so we've got, so this is the collector you're talking about.
Yep. That's a finished collector. Feel nice and clean. All those beautiful TIG welds.
Man,
Yeah.
it's so rad. It's like, it's mind blowing to go through this and see this, because again, like I said, and I'm gonna show you the one, because I saw one casing and I was like, this is what I remember. This was TwoBros. But coming over here, we just got, so this is your new cone. So this, you said this is your #1 pipe right now.
This one is our new Gen 2 Laser PDR. Again, this is an application for a majority is going on a Harley.
Harley.
But yeah, very, very popular with the kids now.
Oh yeah.
2-in-1.
And then over here, what did you call these? The The tubes, what are they called?
Oh, so this is where all our sleeves live.
Sleeves, excuse me. I call them tube,
tie,
but
aluminum.
so right there was, you guys remember it, you guys know it. That's like the original, like, or
Classic.
the classic pipe.
If I had to guess, full bore 4-bolt pattern, I would say probably going on an old Gixxer.
Yeah.
Right here. Flange, all billet aluminum flanges. 98 part number right here.
It's so crazy that you know them all. So, but yes, tubes after tubes after tubes. It's so crazy.
It's late in the day, so all the mufflers have been packaged. And,
so getting ready to ship. So then it goes over to the shipping department. How many trucks do you have come a day?
We have 2 a day. So.
And so all of these. So you'll have pallets of stuff going out, big orders, right?
Couple pallets. So got some lucky customer on a CBR 1000 08 to 11.
There we go.
Receiving in the Black Series carbon fiber. So,
Real nice.
Yeah, real nice packaging always.
Yeah, that looks great. And then this was the puncher, right? Or this is the puncher. So we've got the sleeves.
So punches, we just put them in like that. And hit the lever and punches the holes in there.
Ah, so
that's going to be for a Can-Am F3.
Can-Am?
Can-Am F3.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
All right, and then back over kind of towards the front, but then this wall basically is just all parts, all ready to go. These guys, I just pull up, sold out.
Yep, full pass.
Wait, where's the R9T?
431.
Oh, he already 431.
431s would fall under our cone section, so it wouldn't have a slip tube.
Yeah.
We start with what Eric has in his hand right there.
Got it.
It's just a classic cone. And
So what we're looking at doing for the R9T Racer is something very similar to this side cone.
Turnout with a.
And we're gonna trim that thing down.
Trim it down about right here. Add a slash cut, billet aluminum end cap, and it's gonna look tight.
I'm so excited. Billet aluminum end cap, so it'll look up. So just real quick, it's gonna look very shorter, but very similar to this system here. I'm super excited. So crazy thing was I saw this little system up top, and I was like, so Mark doesn't just stop with the motorcycles. So I'm going to take you on the last thing that we're going to see, which was the cool. So is this for that?
This is
similar?
for his younger brother.
Okay.
I was going to originally call it the Toro.
The Toro. So the thing is
reasons.
just rad. It kind of looks like the bull horns.
So, but this is for mud boats, duck hunting, and gator hunting.
So he said, so I'm just going to take you guys over here real quick just to show you. So pipes after headers, and just crazy. So he's got this motor that company sent to him, and he's building the exhaust. It's one of those big motors that you have, like the flat bottom, like the big flat bottom boats with the big outboards, and they've got the big arms, and they're able to lift them up so they can float over the mud.
Camouflage mode, production.
So he does everything. It's just so rad, so cool. It's so cool to be here, like to see where it's all made. I mean, it's just hopefully
there's a lot that goes into it.
There's a lot that goes into it, but it's
finished
cool.
Product, and it's good to see where it actually originated. That's where it started, right there. You know, straight pipe.
So if you did these out, so let's say you outsource this stuff, is it here? Let's get. So is it cheap? Would it have been cheaper to outsource this stuff?
Oh, of course.
But
then you lose control.
It's quality control, and is everything. We just want to make sure we've got it perfect.
Like I said, we TIG weld, and we don't even have a MIG welder here.
All TIG.
Yeah, all TIG.
So rad. So he's going to be building us, or me, an exhaust for the R9T racer. So I'm super excited for that. It can't come soon enough, but I'll wait. He's a busy man. He's a busy man, and just with the big move. But anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Like, it's been so great for Mark. Thank you, brother.
My pleasure.
But make sure, if you guys, I'm hoping to do some more of this stuff. So if you guys like it, comment down below. But smash me a like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go over to TwoBrosRacing.com. TwoBros.com. Head over there. They've got sport bikes. They got Harleys. Harley guys, this is the new shit, right?
Harley's big. And you know what's coming back around is the KLX 110 pit bike stuff.
So the pit, I see you got some stuff coming down here.
Pit bikes and,
so you got some cool stuff.
We pioneered a lot of that. So.
And of course, you guys know that I've got the Z125. We're two bros up. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. And as always, thank you, sir. We'll see you next video. Stay tuned.